In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show positive numbers with a plus sign in Google Sheets. This is a simple yet effective technique to visually distinguish positive numbers within a dataset, adding clarity and professionalism to your spreadsheet. Whether you're creating financial statements, tracking statistics, or analyzing data, this method can greatly enhance the readability of your work. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by selecting the range of cells where you wish to apply this formatting. This could be a single column, a group of cells, or even an entire sheet, depending on your needs. Simply click and drag your mouse over the desired cells. This action will highlight the selected area, indicating that any changes you make will affect these cells. Once you have your cells selected, move your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You're going to find and click on the Format option. This will open a drop-down menu, revealing a variety of formatting choices. From this list, you'll want to navigate your way to the Number option. Hovering over Number will present another side menu, offering more specialized formatting options for your numbers. In the side menu, look for Custom Number Format. Click on it to open a new dialog box where you can manually input your desired format. This is the real heart of our task today and where the magic happens. Here, you'll enter the custom format sequence, +0, semicolon, -0, semicolon, and 0. In other words, you'll type +0, 0, 0. Let's break this down briefly to understand what it does. The +0 indicates that positive numbers will be displayed with a plus sign, providing an immediate visual cue. The -0 is self-explanatory, showing negative numbers with a minus sign, which is standard practice. The final 0 represents how 0 values will be displayed, remaining neutral without any additional symbols. After you've entered this code, simply click Apply or OK, typically found at the bottom of the dialog box. Instantly, you should notice that all the positive numbers in your selected range now appear with a plus sign, clearly differentiating them from any negative or 0 values. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully configured your Google Sheets to display positive numbers with a plus sign. This approach not only helps in maintaining precision, but also adds a layer of clarity to your data presentation. Remember, small details like this can make a big difference when interpreting numbers, especially in formal reports or presentations. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful Google Sheets tips and tricks.